make chicken stock? Hi, I'm Anupa and I've welcomed to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana and a warm welcome to a series of Cooking for Beginners. How do you make chicken stock? People keep on asking me, and that's how I decided to show this recipe in this series for beginners. It's a very simple recipe actually. Once you make good chicken stock, you can make lovely chicken soup, you can make chicken stews, you can make chicken pulaus, and the list is endless. So the main thing is to make a good well-bodied chicken stock. And how do you make that? For that you need good quality chicken bones. Now chicken bones, where do you get? At your vendor, whoever sells you the chicken will also have chicken bones, and make sure you have lots of them, because more the bones, better will be the quality of your stock. Chicken stock essentially has to be very well flavored. And how do you get that? You'll only get that with good quality chicken bones. So we'll first see what all ingredients we need to make a good chicken stock. We need chicken bones, bay leaf, peppercorns, onion, leeks, celery and cloves. So once you have got all your ingredients, we'll have to first cut them. Now here the ingredients that we are adding are all white. Now what do I mean by white? Obviously leeks and celery is not white, it's green, but the color that it imparts is white. No ingredient which imparts color has to be added into a chicken stock. For example, tomatoes, carrots, no. We cannot add these ingredients because the color of the stock will automatically change. And the chicken stock essentially has to be transparent, it has to be white. So for that we have to use ingredients like onion, leeks, cabbage, we can also add celery. So we'll first cut the onion. All the vegetables that go in have to be cut roughly like this. Then we'll add leeks. Leeks also have to be cut roughly. And same with celery. Now after you've cut all this, we'll add it to the water. Along with that, we'll add bay leaf, we'll add very little cloves, maybe just 2 of them, and some peppercorns. After you've added the whole spices, we'll now add the chicken. But I would like to tell you something here. The chicken that you add to the stock has to be cleaned very well. Make sure you rub off and clean the chicken very well and then add it to the stock. So this is cleaned chicken bones. We're adding this in. Now in spite of the chicken bones being cleaned well, you will still find a lot of scum coming over the stock. This needs to be cleaned at regular intervals. Otherwise the stock will go cloudy, and a cloudy looking chicken stock is definitely not a good chicken stock. So keep that in mind, that whenever you make any stock, every stock that you make has to be clear. And to get a good clear chicken stock or a mutton stock or a veg stock, it is very necessary for us to clean the surface. You will find this little light brownish color foam coming on top. Just quickly scum it off. After you have added everything, just give it a mix. That's it. And not just the chicken, even the vegetables that you add to this have to be cleaned. For that matter, any stock. So that the scum that comes on top should not be quite a bit, because if the scum gets mixed in, the stock goes cloudy. So now we'll wait for this actual scum to come and we'll start scumming it off. Okay, so like I said, the scum will automatically come on top. You see this? The light brown patches, you just have to take a spoon and quietly get rid of it. And as in how you see scum on the surface of this stock, you just have to remove it with the help of a spoon, and that's it. It's very simple. The stock is really getting its flavor. I can get the flavor of leek, celery, onion all together, and I'm sure by the next 10 minutes we'll have this lovely chicken stock ready. So now it's time for us to strain the chicken stock. First switch off the gas and take a strainer and line it with clean muslin cloth. Now muslin cloth is known as muslin cloth in India, but it is also known as cheesecloth. So whatever that you get in your country or in your area, please use it. We need to use a cloth basically apart from the strainer, so that even the smallest of particles get strained and you get absolutely clear stock. You have to follow this for chicken stock as well as veg stock, or even mutton stock for that matter. So right now we'll strain this. This is ready. Just strain it into the strainer. You see this? The stock is clear. It is just because we have removed all the scum which had come on the surface of the stock, and apart from that we have not added any colored vegetables to this. We have just added onion, leeks and celery. That is how the color is still transparent, it's still white, and this stock is just perfect. I can actually get the flavor of chicken, and this is going to be amazing because I'm going to make some soup out of this. This is a very simple chicken stock, very easy to make. Make this recipe just the way I have made it and you'll be very proud of yourself.